and security. So I am going to deliver a speech on this topic. Firstly, see here, anybody raise your hands who can resist a day without using internet? Has anyone? No, I think there will be no one. Okay, what do we do oftenly while using internet? The first priority goes to games, shopping, and social networks. Obviously, the most entertaining task for teenagers. But you know, by using these social networks, most oftenly can lead to some unauthorized misuses. Everybody thinks that only stealing someone's private data is cybercrime, but in defining terms, we can say that cybercrime refers to the use of an electronic devices such as computers, laptops, etc. for stealing someone's data or trying to harm them using a computer. Besides, it is an illegal activity that involves a series of issues. Speaking in a broad way, we can say that cybercrime are categorized into four major types. These are financial, privacy, hacking, and cyber terrorism. Financial means the crime which is related to hacking of money, privacy that means private accounts, hacking means that private talks which you don't want to share the world and anyone can blackmail you after knowing that. And this is happening in a large amount now these days. It is called cyber terrorism. Cybercrime is not something which we can't deal with ourselves. Likewise, with little use of common sense and logic, we can stop cybercrime from happening. To conclude, we can say that cybercrime is a dangerous offense. Above all, cybercrime is a violation of not only law but of also human rights too. But from this, we should know what is the prevention from cybercrime. First is set a separate code of your computer system, and second is avoid using unnecessary things, and third is avoid chatting with unknown persons, and fourth is don't do transactions on ATM which is located in a lonely place, and fifth, be careful while doing transaction electrically, and sixth is changing password frequently. We should always change password frequently because if anyone knows, then this is bad. Using this private software, and seventh is more than one email account. So that's it for now. Have a nice day. Thank you.